it's always not his fault because he would just say na, he would just say nga kanang it's my job, I am consumed with my work mo na ijan to ba.
I'm not like have another woman or another.
Dax maura jud niya ang ingon nimo Dax sa just because you're not cheating
Does
means
not
nga
mean you're
kuan
not hurting
you're not hurting
people.
me.
I understand.
Di man
But
na
I think
inana.
the hurt is different.
I understand,
Or
but you're
just
not
because
understanding.
na or just because he said that he loved me, I felt loved.
Where is that love? I
Di man na
can't see
inana.
it. I can't feel it. I don't know where it is.
Well, it's the
Dili
same in
man
the
ako
movie.
umana
I
na Dax gihuman na ako gibusulti
I
nimo akong
forgot in
side.
the movie like Natalie Portman.
Humana na
Remember Natalie?
humana ko nagsulti
Dad,
nimo.
stop being a narcissistic and change the subject. Just
Lagi dili
continue,
lahi si Jabi
please.
ka nang he would
Jesus
downplay my
Christ.
he will downplay my concern and he will invalidate my feelings all the time.
Invalidating feelings is
I
not.
always feel like kanang if kanang mag-discuss ko niya about something, he always makes me feel nga kanang I am dramatic or I am OA. Kasi ganahan siya dili na siya pangitaon.
He wants to be alone.
No. Kasi ganahan na siya dili na ko ano, dili na kapangitaon mo na yung ganahan Dax.
A new start.
Pwede ra pod.
A new start.
Maybe.
Known as a man without a wife or a child.
Ano lang ang pinaka? Kung ang dili ng kabibi, you're at 100. Now you can feel money.
Kuan na pa ang kanang topic.
Dad, why are you changing the topic? Dad, why? You're very defensive on this topic.
You mad at me because of my attitude, because of what I did wrong. Huh?
You're very
Maingon si
defensive.
Dax nga kuan, maingon si Janaho nga kanang I don't wanna be married and kuan experience kuno daw sa akong na experience o
I told you, even other people just by hearing it think that you already suck at being married.
na di kuno sa ganahan magninya mo si Cha.
That's a very smart choice, lady, whoever you are.
And I felt bad enough because as parents manggod kay we are supposed to be kuan ba we are supposed to be your role models bitaw so I think we failed at that because instead of you saying I hope someday I'll find someone like daddy or ina na ba but
Yeah.
you don't say that man
No.
because you saw nga kanang what we have is not something we're happy but we're not happy ba.
No. I can clearly see
But
that you're
maybe
not
if you
happy with
find
that, Mom.
but maybe if you find a man, well, it's
Dili
maybe
But I don't need to find a
mao
man.
ang point good.
I am
ang
the
point is
man.
kita we failed. We failed to show
Ma,
nga.
I don't need to find the rich man. I am a rich man. I will be the rich one. Mom, I don't need a companion. Money is my companion. I'll take
don't
you
be
on
over.
vacations, okay, Mom? Mom, I'll
You
take
just
you on
first of
vacations.
all you have to be not hardworking.
What do you mean?
Listening.
That's very stupid advice to give, not to be hardworking. That does not make sense. That goes above all laws.
Don't be lazy. pwede rin mag-advance na sa insurance ko, for example, sa
Hey, mom.
October.
Do,
Magbayad ako para September eh.
ma,
Oh, pwede ra jud ka. Joy, si problema mag-advance the unsa na?
ma, do you really believe that you failed, mom?
Mag-uli, mag-karmi ko, para ali ka rin ako.
Unsa?
Sige,
Do
kawali.
you really believe you failed?
Failed at?
Wala na
What
siya
you
sa-
just told me, ba, you failed that.
Yeah.
Installation eh.
That's what I felt.
Nakita na na si Asina. Ricard,
Ano
ang
ba?
iyong advice mo ana, wa man siya sa kay dili man na kuan
O di mag-advance ka, magbutang kag advance.
ang idsang disadvantage ko no kay pareha to isang yung sample sa kuan nga nagbayad siya sa permi bisan na late siya sa tanto na ito dili siya sa kuan kay wa man na rin yun gamay ra siya na kuan di wala siya kuan full delicate sa isang policy ang moto isang kinakakuan man ang isa gusto nga may tapos isang cliente
Imong i-advance.
ah
Mag-advance ka.
well,
Pwede